Where are we in the last class, Shrimuki, in dictionary? Yeah, we are going through the methods, right? Just a minute. Yeah. So in the methods, where we seen so far, we have seen pop, right? Yeah. So no, I think we have seen get. Get means it will fetch the value. Am I correct? At the particular key. Okay. If the value is not there, it will fetch a default value, which we will give that. Okay. Let us see. Okay. How and then we'll see for pop. Okay. Okay. Can you see my screen? Yes. Last class notes I haven't sent up. Okay, I'll send today. Okay. Okay. So we have seen methods like okay, dict, len, clear, get. Right, Shivagi, clear till this is fine. Now we'll start with the pop and pop item. Okay, what the pop will do. Okay, what pop item will do. We'll see that. Okay. Any idea, Shimiki, what this pop will do? Any guesses? Yes, that's what like something similar only. Hmm. It removes the entry. You can write something like that. Okay. It removes the entry associated with the specified key. Okay. It removes the entry associated with the specified key. Clear? Okay. And return the corresponding value also. Okay. If you're calling pop method on a particular key, it will return the corresponding value. At the same time, it will remove from the entry record also to remove. Okay. Clear? See, Shimugi, I am giving the key name and calling method pop. Okay, clear? So it will remove the total entry and it will fetch the value also. Okay, clear? See, it is fetching the value and it is removing that. Okay. Shimugi, is that clear, Shimugi? See, after that I'll print a dictionary again. Okay, it will remove that. Okay, see, clear? Now pop item. Any guesses? What is pop item will do? Any guesses, Shimugi? No. See, pop only giving a specific value, right? Specific key value. Pop item will remove a random value. Okay. It removes arbitrary item. That means any key value. Okay. Arbitrary item. Indirectly, any key value pair it will remove. Okay. From the dictionary. We can't predict also. Okay. If you remember in the list, the pop will work the same way. Am I correct? Here, the pop item will do the same role here. Okay. Return it. Let me do that. Okay. See, instead of pop, I am taking pop item. Okay. Right. See, Shimugi, it is removing add and Andhra and it is returning that. Okay. And after that, if I'm printing means it is removing that. Okay. Clear? Okay. Fine. Now, yes, that's what. You can see in the output. So it is showing what it is removed. In pop also it's showing, doing the same thing, right? The respective value only. See? Clear? Better. Next method called keys. Any idea, Shrimiki, what the keys will do and which is very important? No, yeah. No, in dictionary we have keys and values. Na? It will fetch all the keys. Okay, right? It returns all the keys associated with dictionary. Okay, na? Let us see that. Okay. See, see, Shrimik, fine. Okay. Suppose if I write values, it will print all the values associated with them. Adna? That fine. See, it is giving all the keys. It is giving all the values. Okay. If you want, you can access through for each loop also. Okay. For x in d dot keys, print x, something like that. You can try also. Okay. See. The same thing you can write for values also. If you want to check for every value of the dictionary, you can write this way also. Okay. Any doubts, Shrimuki? Okay. Now keys and values will return single value. Okay. Group of single values, right? Suppose if I want to process the group of items, records, then what should I write? D dot items. Okay. See? So that items, each record will return two values. Okay. See? You can write for k comma v. Okay. K comma v in d dot items. Because the each item record will return two values. That's why we are using two variables, k and v. Okay. Which is nothing but key and value. Okay. Shiviki, fine. Clear? That's it. Okay. See, you now we'll see. Okay. See, why we are using these all methods means, okay, because there are many challenges we need to face based on the individual key and values. We need to filter out some respective keys. We need to filter out respective values. We need to find a maximum of respective values. We need to find a minimum of respective values like that. So there are n number of challenges we are gonna face. Okay. So based on that one, okay, we are filtering, we are processing keys separately, values separately, key and value separately like that. Fine, fine. Okay. Copy this everything. Please, Hi, Sushmita. Power came. Okay. అమ్ముందా వేరే ఇంటికి స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయిందా దిగిపోయిందా రైట్ సుష్మిత I was just explaining the function. So in the last class, len clear get. Okay. So the pop function means it will remove the particular, suppose if you give pop of name, it will remove the entire thing. Okay, clear? Pop item means it will randomly remove any record. Okay, you can't guarantee which record is gonna remove, and it will return the particular item. Okay. Okay. Then this keys means keys to values means it will fetch all the keys and it will fetch all the values. Okay, clear? So by using that, we can use the for loop also. D dot keys means every key will be being printed. D dot values means every value will be being printed. K comma B means every key comma value will be being printed. Okay, clear? That's it. That's what I'm telling. See, like this keys, values. So then I am printing all the keys. Okay. Then I am printing all the values. Then I'm printing both keys and values. So items will fetch you two values each. That's why we are writing K comma V. Okay. Now, one of the important programs, okay, which is being asked to you as well. Okay. Right? I think second time CBA interview only that one is being asked. Okay. The question is, guys, Srimuki, focus here. Yeah, we'll take our favorite string. Okay. Can you tell me, Srimuki, what is that favorite string? Uh-huh. No, no, no. We used to have a one string favorite example. Okay. Srimuki is a good girl. Is she good? Okay, that's the example. Okay. Is she good? Now, based on the string, right? Okay. We need to create a dictionary such that suppose S how many times repeated? One. Okay. Two, three. Three S. So we need to create key as S with value three. Okay. Then R how many times? One, two, five times, huh? Then it's five. Okay, sorry. Five times. R repeat for three times. Let's assume. Like that, each and every character, suppose character with the frequency is being repeated. That I want to form one dictionary. This is very important program, guys. Okay, let me tell you very clear. Okay, very important. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes based on the methods which I told already. You can try that. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes. Everyone try that. Come on. There's only get method is enough, guys. Okay, to do this. Okay, get. Okay, I'll give you the clue also. Okay, suppose d dot get of some character will give you the previous value. Okay, okay. If his previous value is not there, okay, you just write some default value for safety purpose. If s is not there, it will return you zero. Okay, if s not there, okay. If s is there, it will give you the previous value. That is the biggest clue I can give. Okay, try that. So, Shmita, fine. 5 more minutes. Very important. Okay, try your level best. Okay. That's any guesses, any idea? Sushmita? Guys, tomorrow we'll complete dictionary and we'll start with the strings, okay? Strings, which is the last topic of core Python, okay? Sushmita, any idea? Let's start explaining, guys, okay? In minute, huh? Okay, try. Because this is the question that is the second time you all came for you, second interview, the same company. Okay, shall we start writing the code? See, anyone have you tried something, guys? Okay. Correct only, na? This is correct. Can you explain, Shimugi, what you have written? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Correct. See, I'll tell you. Isn't the why you haven't tried, Shinta? Why you haven't got the answer? See, suppose initially my dictionary is empty dictionary, right? Like this. Am I correct? Key and value. Nothing is there, right? So first we'll check whether the S is there in the dictionary or not. If S is not there, we'll keep S with 1. Okay. So we are making the get method. Okay. If S is not there, you should return 0. So that plus 1 will fetch you D of S equal to 1. Is that fine, guys? If S is already there, for the next time, this value will fetch you 1. 1 plus 1, 2. You got it, Shrimuki. So again, R is not there. So R comma 0. So not there means it will fetch you 0. 0 plus 1. So D of R equal to 1, like that. Okay. Again, for R is coming for the second time, we'll add plus 1. Clear? Like that. Shishinda, is that fine, Shishinda? Count కాదు dictionary అదే dr count whatever might be. Srimukhi is taking count as a name of dictionary. I am taking any doubts? No problem. I can ask you. See, what I am trying to say, if the element is not there in the map, keep against one. Okay. To make that happen, we are taking default value as 0 plus 1. So if the character is not there, this will fetch you 0. 0 plus 1, how much? 1, right? That's what. If the character, you are making that happen, k comma 1. If the character is not there, if the character is already there, it will fetch the previous value, whatever might be, plus 1. We'll update against. Got it? Krishna, fine. The character is there, previous value plus 1. If the character is not there, 0 plus 1. That is what we are writing the logic. Okay. How simple it is see in Python? See, for x in ch, I'll take ch in str. Okay. So we'll check. Okay. D of ch equal to, okay, d dot get of ch comma 0. Why 0 means if the character is not there, it is supposed to fetch 0. If the character is there, it will supposed to fetch the previous value plus 1. Okay, if character is there, we are updating with the previous value plus 1. If character is not there, we are updating with 0 plus 1. Okay, that's it. Fine, Shushmita. That's it. And print D. Okay. Now you can see every S. Repeat for one time. I repeat for, my God, what is this? Hey, why duplicate keys are coming? Acha, acha. Okay, okay. I gave small and capital guys. That's why. Okay. Capital repeat for one time. Small s, repeat for 3 times. Okay. So if you want to avoid this confusion, convert everything to one case. Okay. str equal to str dot lower. Okay. Now everything will be one case. Now you will see s 4 times, r 2 times, I 5. Is that fine, Shmita? Okay. Now I'll give you some homework, guys. Okay. Yeah. Smallest one, we're converting everything to small. Okay. Yes, it will fetch 0. For the first time, S is not there. It will fetch you 0 only. 0 plus 1. So S with 1. Yeah, come on. Yes, yes. 1 plus 1, 2. So at the same S, it will be updated with the 2 instead of 1. Okay. Why it is coming previous value now? Have you attended the last class? I told na, get method will always fetch the value. It is not like previous value. It will always fetch the value. But the value is already updated with 1. Now it will fetch that value and will update with 1. That's what na. See, get method I told na yesterday. Shudha. Are you there? See, class 35 na? When is class 34? Yeah. Yeah, yeah. See, haven't written here. I haven't written missed actually. Basically, see this word. See, suppose instead of if I write print of d dot get name na, what it will do? It will fetch the value, right? That's what, right, Sushmita? That's what. Okay, d dot. So if the name is not there, it will be an error. If you are not giving the previous value, if you're not giving default value. So for safety purpose, mention the default value. Okay, that's yes, 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 yes. That's it, right? You are not. Wait, wait, wait. I'll give you one example. Okay, first you'll remove this. Yeah, yeah, I got it. But why you are not getting? I'm not getting it. Yeah, that is very simple, right? Okay, I'll tell you with small example. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Shushnta, I'll tell you why so hurry. See, 10, the value is 101. Okay. 20, the value is 102. 30, see, suppose if I write a d dot get off 10, what it will supposed to return, Shunta? 101. Sorry, print. Fine. If I write 11, which is not there, okay, we'll see what it will come. None. Okay, not error, it's coming none. Okay, none. Okay. If the key is not there. Okay. Yes, that's what. If you give 11 comma 0, it will fetch you 0. Now, Sushmita, now earlier, see, earlier I gave one string, okay. Srimuki is good girl, is she good? Something like that I gave. Is good girl, something like that I gave, right? Okay. Is she good? Yeah. So what I am checking earlier, suppose for the first time my S is there, we're checking for S, okay. We're checking whether the S is not there, then return 0. Okay, for the first time, my dictionary will be updated with the key S with the value 1. Okay. For the second time, the same S, it will fetch you 1 instead of 0. You got it. We are adding plus 1. So the same value will be updated with the 2. Okay. Yeah, see, keys are not being duplicated, right? See, for one key only, it will update again and again. Again, next time, one more S will come means it will do 3. One more S coming. Dictionary does not follow. That's what I told now in the beginning of the class only. I told very clear the dictionary doesn't allow duplicate keys. It allows duplicate values. See, I told clearly duplicate keys are not allowed. Yeah, you should catch all these points. Okay. Okay. So this is, I'll give you one homework, guys. Okay. The homework is, guys, these programs are also very, very important. Okay. See, here S repeats for 4 times, which is most frequent. No. See, if MG's character repeats 7 times, which is most repeated character. Okay. So, see, that's what, now. So, least repeating means which are having value 1. Am I correct, guys? So, you guys need to find most repeating character. Okay. Most repeated character and the least repeated character. Guys, you got it, the meaning. Suppose if the same suppose the most repeated character highest frequency 5. Let us assume 3 characters are being repeated. You need to find all the 3 characters. Okay. Least repeated character. and the character repeated for k times. Suppose the k is, you take 3. You should tell how many characters repeat for 3 times. Yes, I hope everyone will try this and come up with tomorrow good solutions. Guys, is that clear? I'll paste this in the notes also. Srimuki, fine. You got the logic, right? You got the statement meaning, right? Yeah, you can modify the existing program in such a way that identified most repeating character, least repeating character repeat for not 3 times, k times, based on the value of the k which you are taking. Okay. And see, I'll give you a clue also. Okay. You write for k comma v in items, in d dot items. You will fetch each record with its frequency. Now in that you find most repeated and least repeated. Okay. Logic. Okay. Guys, is that fine? I gave you the clue also. Okay. Try guys. Okay. Tomorrow come up with the 3 good solutions. Okay. And tomorrow we'll wind up with the dictionary. Okay. Everyone will attend guys because these programs are very, very important. Okay. See, I told very limited programs. In list, I told 5 to 6 programs. And the set, I told 2 to 3 programs. And dictionary, I'm teaching 4 to 5 programs. And the patterns, I have taught nearly 10 models. Okay. And before patterns, I have told loops, right? I told nearly 6 to 7 models or 7 to 8. So these programs, you consolidate in one sheet and try to understand again and again. Try to frame the logic out of your own. Okay. I think Streamu, we both are good only, but yeah, Alekia is not there. She was a bit lagging. Okay, that's why I'm telling. But okay, fine. That's what I'm saying. Okay, the programs are very limited. Okay, so please focus on programs also. Okay, not only concepts. Okay, they will ask at least one program, guys. Okay, and in strings will solve 4 to 5 programs. Okay, again, right? And I hope tomorrow will be the end of this dictionary. Okay, clear? We'll start with strings. Okay, everyone attend tomorrow. Okay.